Good evening, everyone. We've all heard that leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. This isn't just a fancy phrase. It's the most fundamental and powerful definition of what a true leader does. It goes beyond titles or positions of authority and speaks to a profound, active process. A leader isn't just someone who dreams big dreams. They are the person who has the unique ability to bridge the gap between that abstract idea and its tangible, real-world outcome. The vision, more than just a dream. First, let's understand what a vision truly is. It's not a fleeting thought or a vague hope. A vision is a clear, compelling picture of a desired future. It's the blueprint for what doesn't yet exist. A leader's job is to first develop this vision, to see what others can't, and to believe in it with unwavering conviction. This vision gives purpose, direction, and meaning to every action. It answers the crucial question of why. Why are we working so hard? Why are we making these sacrifices? The vision is the magnetic north that guides everyone's efforts. The translation, bridging the gap. Translating this vision into reality is where the real work of leadership begins. It's a three-part process that requires skill, empathy, and resilience. Communication. A leader must articulate the vision so clearly and passionately that it becomes a shared purpose. They make it relatable and inspiring, not just a set of instructions. This is where a leader's integrity and example become paramount. People don't follow words. They follow a leader they trust and believe in. Strategy. A vision without a plan is just a fantasy. The leader must create a roadmap, a practical step-by-step strategy for how to achieve the vision. This involves setting goals, allocating resources, and defining the roles that each person will play. Mobilization. A leader doesn't walk the path alone. They mobilize others to join them. They inspire their team to